In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Claude AI Opus 4.7 for free. So if you click on this one, you gotta spend $20 or more for a month after taxes. So without paying that, you can get that as well. So if you go to Kiro.dev, click on sign in, and then just choose sign in method. So I'm gonna go with Google sign in. So once you sign in, you can click on settings and then go to Kiro Pro or Kiro Pro Plus. So I'm gonna go with Kiro Pro Plus. So you get a pop-up, allow it. If you see zero amount here, that means you don't need to pay anything, but it's gonna work as a pro rate. So every month they're gonna charge you, and every month first they're gonna charge you. So make sure to cancel it once you have this trial. Now if you go to settings, now you can see Kiro Pro Plus. So let's go to Kiro again, home. Now you can see Claude Opus 4.7. So that's how you can get this version. So what you can do now, let's go to settings. Make sure to cancel this plan, otherwise you have to pay $43. So click on manage plan, and then here click on update subscription, and then make sure to select free plan, otherwise you have to pay the 40 plus taxes. So click on that and then continue. It says that your subscription will be updated at the end of your current billing cycle. So that means you can use this till June 1st. Confirm. Now you can see your service will be updated on June 1st, and then next estimated payment will be 0. So that's how you can do. Now go back to Kiro, and then let's test something. Maybe let's say build a cyber security training platform. So here you can choose Opus 4.7. Okay, you need to add a repository, so I'm not going to do that. So this is how you can upgrade this to Claude Opus 7 for free.